It's a very good evening. It's a very warm, very lovely summer day here in Southampton, United Kingdom. And this is a quick one, very quick one. And this is specially dedicated to nurses and healthcare assistants who are working in the UK. And it is to help them to be able to save money on their taxes. And this is as a result of there being an opportunity for someone to claim tax relief on uniform. And so a healthcare assistant or a registered nurse, either a mental health nurse, adult nurse, learning disability nurse, pediatric nurse, can claim tax relief on uniform. It is a flat rate tax, and I think it's a value of £125 every year. And let me just read from the government website. It says it is a uniform is described as a set of specialized clothing that is recognizable as identifying someone as having a particular occupation, for example, nurse or police uniform. And so you can claim tax relief if you watch your uniform given to you by your employer, unless your employer employs or rather provides a laundry service and you choose not to use and wash your uniform yourself. And then it says there, only nurses and midwives can claim for replacing shoes, socks, and underwear. So apart from your uniform as a nurse or as a midwife, you can also claim for replacing your shoes, your socks, and your underwear. And if you go to the Gov website, you will see that there is a flat rate for nurses. It is £125 that you can claim. You also can claim for shoes, for stockings, and this £125 does not only apply to nurses, but it also applies to dental nurses, healthcare assistants, physiotherapists, phlebotomists, that one, radiographers, and occupational or speech therapists. So they can claim tax allowance. They can claim tax rebate, as it were. And if you go to the government website, you see how you can do that. Please, please, please take time to do this. If you are a registered nurse, if you are a healthcare assistant, claim your uniform tax rebate, because that's going to save you a good amount of money every year. £125 is not a little amount of money. And if you add your shoes and your underwears or your stockings to it as a nurse or as a midwife, of course, you are looking at a good amount of money. So what are you waiting for? Go to the Gov website, especially if you are in the UK, because this is addressed to UK nurses and midwives and healthcare assistants. Go there and look at claiming online, and then you should be able to create an account with HMRC, and then go in there, put in your information, your national insurance number, your date of birth, and all of that details, and you will see that your tax code for the year will change. HMRC will send you a letter to show that you have done what? You have changed your tax code from the normal 12,570 or so to a different amount or a different number, because you would have been claiming your tax rebate on your uniforms. So please go and do that, and get yourself some extra money to sort out one or two other things. And I will see you in the next video. And if you have not subscribed, why not think of subscribing and hit the notification button? It costs nothing. And I will catch you on the next video. Do take a good care of yourself. Ciao.